Yeah, man. So, welcome back to another day in the life of Keegan. Yeah, man. So we're up on the beach, up on the 7 Mile beach. My cousin Lando, primetime Lando, him just reached. He arrived like at 8 a.m. this morning in a mobile, and he must say, "Oh, I'm hungry and a dog want some food." So right now, we'll carry him to get some food down on the beach. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, we'll check out one restaurant right now and make you know what go on. As me I say, come, two people now tell me say the food wicked, food good. So we'll check you out, You see it? See the place, yeah. Yeah, man. So today we're in Negril, guys, checking out some local spots. So we started off with this Jamaican fusion restaurant and bar located right on the beach, on the 7 Mile beach. Yeah, man. So Lando, he decided that he wanted to try their fish, the fish sticks. He said they were absolutely delicious, crispy on the outside, seasoned just right, full of flavor. You see? Yeah, and wife, she went kind of thirsty, so she just gotta keep it simple and drink some coconut water. And also we had some breakfast earlier in the morning, so kind of still full, We say good? Yeah. All in Jamaica, Yeah. Yes, guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode in Keegan's Kitchen. You don't know, so with our yard with our Negril down west. Yeah, so we'll get some food in our lunch there, and big idea. Yeah. So right about now we're headed to Best in the West. We'll get some fish, get some jerk chicken. I don't know if they have pork, because pork is like a seasonal thing, type of entree. Yeah, so we go depend upon the jerk chicken, we'll lean towards that way, and some fish. Maybe if escovitch or whatever, I don't know yet. I don't know what prime time Lando I deal with right now. If you go get the escovitch fish, I go get the roast fish way or what. But I know I get some jerk chicken for myself. You see me, I say? So when we get there, we'll make the swag one, and that's that. Yeah. Yes. So I started off with their conch soup, and let me tell you guys, it was really good, rich, spicy, and full of that real Jamaican taste. But the real star of the show here is their roast pork, mouth-watering, spicy, and packed with a bunch of flavor. And when you add their signature jerk spicy sauce on top, that's next level stuff, guys. Spicy, but it's a good spice. So if you're ever in the Negril area, Best in the West is a must try, guys. The vibes are local, the food is authentic, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. See you in the next video.